On May 6, 2025, around noon in Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, a New Mexico State police officer conducted a traffic stop on a white GMC pickup truck driven by 75-year-old Dennis Jones in Truth or Consequences. The officer ran the license plate and learned Jones, the registered owner, had an active arrest warrant for a probation violation in Arizona for sexual assault. After the traffic stop, pursuit officer visually confirmed that Jones was driving the vehicle. He initiated a traffic stop.
Hello, sir. I'm also very much District Police. We give a stop, sir. Is a registered owner of this vehicle probably has a warrant. You bought this from anyone recently? Do you have a driver's license on you then? Are you from Arizona at all? No, never ever? You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? No weapons or anything on you right now? Alright, if you can't find it, can you just step out for me and we're gonna walk back to my unit, alright? Can't find it, just wanna walk back to your unit. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. I had him pulling a gun on me. I need assistance, please. He's taking off right now.
We have sharp fires for
The following video shows the end of the officer's pursuit, which led to the second shooting incident.
10-4, he's going up a high winds road up to a property. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I will shoot you! He's shooting back, he's shooting back. Shots fired, he's shooting. Put Put your hands up!
So, pound, motor 9, were you direct with that last 29, sir?
He's down on the ground, possibly hit.
Gents, we're direct male down, possibly hit.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
Firearm is possibly in his left hand.